How to use address book photo on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your address book photo or how to use your address book photo on your Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on chats. Now click on the second option, which is use address book photo, and now you can display contact photo from your address book if available, and you can turn on or off whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.